Menteri Gatanar Puli Puthi ke Khubor urakam isang ma ula ong ba kampadon kanu ke Jingujor makidan hadu khandai Tylli ki Skul kiba klem yo Khaw midday meal labun benai mentah. Yakani ula juba bhalor ka jingkeli bawanra da urupa marak MLA hakikanta keli jingkeli habayadai ba ka jingsam yo Khaw Sngi hadadang grey constituency.
Deputy Speaker, sir. Reply to start question number 3. Sir A. Sir, 923 primary schools. B. Yes, sir, on quarter basis. C. Sir, the total number of schools is 922. Quantity of rice being received during 2023-24 is 977.56 metric tons. Sir.
Commissioner. The Deputy Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge for his reply. And I would like to put one question in this regard. How and through whom the MDM rice is being allotted to schools?
Sir, this now it's called as PM Pusan. This program is a Government of India sponsored program, and this is being reached to the school by the wholesaler, which will be assigned by the Deputy Commissioner Supply of the concerned district.
Thank you, sir. As replied in the sub number B, it is being allotted on quarter basis, but there was some complaint which is put to me by 9 schools, the teachers as well as the parents. They put one complaint, and I would like to read out the schools' names to you, sir. Damalasam LP School, they have not received the quota of rice from July to December. The Bogri LP School, April to December, they have not received. Baljai Kaduma, July to December. Rongkhamgri Government School, July to December. Madarigiri LP School, July to December. Rongramgri LP School, April to December. Chengagri LP School, July to December. Aigri LP School, July to December. And Dabirgiri, July to December. So, I would like to ask the concerned minister to take necessary action in this regard.
Sir, this should not have been happened. We did not get any official complaint in this regard. However, since the honorable members is seated in the house, we will take a note of it. And sir, since it is for the entire subdivision, sir, so the midday meal is being supplied, and to the certain school that he has been mentioned, maybe some technical issue that we don't know, but however, we haven't taken note of it, sir.
Dr. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, often there are allegations regarding the poor implementation and poor quality of midday meals. So may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, sir, what are the initiatives that is being taken by the government to ensure proper utilization of midday meal scheme and to ensure good quality of food to the students?
Sir, the quality, as per the quality is concerned, so the best food is being served to the children, and because the DC supply and the FCI and the wholesaler, with all this due process, this midday meal is being reached to the schools, and with the quality is concerned, the cook come helper is already stationed in the school and they are taking care of it. However, if there is any specific issue in the terms of the quality and all things, I will be happy to discuss with them, and the government will work its best to make it the best to serve to the children.
If there is no further supplementary question, we'll pass on to question number 4. Chief Minister.